When was the last time you strolled through a forest, or you walked through a woodland that was so beautiful it just took your breath away and you stood there for a moment lost in wonder and awe? We all know how good being in nature can make us feel, and we've known it for generations. The sounds of the forest, the scent of the trees, the fresh, clean air. We begin to feel a sense of comfort. The stress and the worry just seems to fade. We begin to relax. We breathe deeply. We think more clearly. Being in nature can restore our mood. It can give us back our energy. We feel refreshed and rejuvenated. We need to enter the forest slowly, as if entering a sacred space. As we enter the forest, be still for a few moments, just to breathe. We come into the forest and we engage all of our senses. We start with our sight. Look around. Focus on the small details. Notice the veins in a leaf, the way the sunlight dances on the forest floor, or the ripples of water in a stream. Notice the colours, the patterns, the textures. How many shades of green can you see? Allow your eyes to linger on one spot. This isn't about rushing, but about truly seeing the forest as it is. Then close your eyes for a moment and just listen. What sounds do you hear? The rustling of leaves, the birds, the faint murmur of a distant stream. Let the forest's natural symphony wash over you, noticing how the sounds rise and fall. And then focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and hold it a moment, and then release it slowly out through your mouth. Breathe in again. What scents can you detect? The earthy aroma of the soil, the sweet smell of flowers, the fragrance after the rain, the freshness of pine needles. Move to a tree or plant and breathe deeply near it. Notice how each part of the forest has its own unique scent. Now you can focus on your sense of touch. You can reach out and touch the forest around you. Feel the bark of a tree. Is it warm or cold? Is it dry or damp? Is it rough or smooth? Run your fingers over moss or leaves. Are they soft or cool or dry? Dip your hand in a stream of water if there's water nearby. And let your hands explore the forest as a way to ground yourself and deepen your sense of connection in that place. If it's safe, you might even engage your sense of taste. Maybe you're near a clean spring and you can take a sip of fresh spring water. Or perhaps you brought something edible from home that reminds you of the forest, like berries or herbs. Become fully present. There's no hurry here. There's no rush. There's no stress. There's just you, one with the forest. Before you leave the forest, be still for a while once again. Reflect on your experience. Which one of your senses engaged fully for you? What sight or sound or texture will linger with you as you leave the forest? Take a moment and express your gratitude for this opportunity to be in the forest, and remind yourself that you'll come back soon.